All right, and then it allows you to kind of zoom in. And zoom in again. Might be too much zoom. And you're able to see the area and what that looks like. Okay. As far as statistics go, you can go to demographic data. And again, it's a lot of information. You can pull up population, race alone in combination, Hispanic origin, housing, all different kinds of things. And you can hover over it or click on Arizona, and it tells you what that looks like. I clicked on population. So there you have it. Sometimes it takes a little bit of time. You can do searches by zip codes, 85382. Again, very specific. You can show more results, 85382. It takes a moment, and then you can kind of start seeing, right? This computer's super slow. You can also look at, if you're looking at race alone or in combination, you can go here, you can go here, you can go here, and just select all of the different races. Then you can Hispanic origin, the data on this page. Again, I like to use this. And I'm going to go 85012. I want to say that that is how about, I think that is Sunny Slope. Yeah, that's Sunny Slope. So 85021 is Sunny Slope. Population, again, you can kind of pull it up. You can see the, start seeing some information. I do like, let's see. I do like kids count for one, and I know I just was at census.gov, but I do like kids count because you can choose a zip code. Oh, sorry. 850. It doesn't even offer that zip code. Let's just go there. Okay. So let's just go to Phoenix. So let's see by city. And then let's see if we can pull up. I'm just going to go by Phoenix. and then you can see what we can see, and then I'm just going to create a report. And then it's going to tell me in all of Phoenix, all of these things. So child population, it tells me how many children. You can see a steady decline from 2014 to 2015. That could simply be that children moved out of the area, but then you see like a 10,000 increase, and then a steady increase moving forward. So either more people are reporting or procreation, however you want to look at that, that can be contributing factors. So then they have the child population as far as Arizona, Avondale, and Phoenix as a collaborative or a cumulative thing. They have race and ethnicity, right? Which again, that is only as good as people who are reporting. But you can see white alone, not Hispanic or Latino. You can see the percentages that are being populated. Child population by race or ethnicity. You can see this for Arizona, Avondale, and then you can also see Phoenix. So it does give you definitions of what American Indian or Alaska Native looks like, or is the definition of, as well as Hispanic or Latino. So, children who are foreign born, it tells you that percentage as well. So, maybe individuals who have moved here after their children were born. And then it just kind of goes children under 6 with parents in the workforce labor, children under 6 with all parents in the workforce labor, medium income by family. So this might be a good way of doing it, by not necessarily a zip code, if you will, but an area like Phoenix, Arizona. But again, options. I want to show you what it does truly look like. All right, with that being said, let's just go to the next piece of that key assessment. So your fact sheet, you'll pull those percentages and you will add them to your fact sheet. So your fact sheet include 3 statistics about diverse characteristics here. So you're going to pull those statistics and say whatever characteristics you're going to pull and put them in there. Working families, grandparents raising grandchildren, whatever statistics you want, you're going to put it in here, and then you're going to define diverse characteristics, or add your images of the books that you're using. Okay, so you're going to define the characteristic here, and then you are going to include 3 books that go with that characteristic or characteristics. All right, so if you hone it into one characteristic, whether that be however you want to look at those statistics, right? Let's say that there is a high population of Caucasian individuals or white people, and you are like, they need to have some diversity in their lives, right? It might be young white people in that area, right? So then you might want to pull books that reflect a variation of family structures, skin tones, stuff like that, so that you are engaging children with new literacy. So you have 3 statistics. You define the diverse characteristic that you are looking at. Okay, and then you're going to identify 3 ways to create a relationship with diverse families. So you'll pull your statistics, define what you're looking at, right? And then you're going to have 3 book covers of the books that you're selecting, and then you're going to use the advancing equity to speak to how you're going to engage diverse families. All right, I'm going to stop this one here so that we can move to the content.